Got measurement data from a vector network analyzer that you need to analyze? These VNA files contain critical RF and microwave test measurements. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open and work with these vector network analyzer data files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There's a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest VNA cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. A data file generated by a vector network analyzer, VNA, an instrument used to test radio frequency, RF, components. Engineers and technicians search for this file to store and analyze measurement data, such as S parameters, to verify the performance of antennas, filters, and amplifiers in specialized software. Often a binary or ASCII-based format, structured to store complex number data representing magnitude and phase across a sweep of frequencies. The design prioritizes precision and compatibility with analysis software, often adhering to industry standards like Touchstone, S&P, for data interchange between different engineering tools. Your application default for VNA should ideally be Keysight Pathwave Advanced Design System, ADS, from Keysight Technologies. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows gives a simple file-level view, but understanding the data requires specialized software. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the VNA file and click Open With. Test Keysight. Pathwave. Advanced Design System, ADS, first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. When your VNA file does not open, it is usually a small issue. To truly fix this, let's review the why, the top technical reasons this specific VNA error occurs on your system. First, opening an analyzer software. Use the manufacturers of software like Keysight, Pathwave, VNA, Rode, and Schwartz VNA software, or Anritsu LineMaster to open VNA files. The software displays measurement plots, Smith charts, and parameter data exactly as captured on the instrument, enabling detailed RF performance analysis and reporting. Next, converting to Touchstone. Convert VNA files to the standard Touchstone format, S&P, for cross-platform compatibility. Most VNA software includes export functions to save data as S2P, S3P, or S4P files. Touchstone format is widely supported by RF simulation software, like Keysight ADS, Cadence, AWR, and ANSYS HFSS. Finally, importing into MATLAB. Import VNA data into MATLAB, using the RF toolbox functions like sparameters or RED for analysis and visualization. MATLAB provides extensive RF analysis capabilities, including filter design, impedance matching, and circuit simulation. Python, with scikit RF library, offers similar capabilities for open-source workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.